Hi friends, if you know about the superpower countries in the world, but if we talk about the superpower countries in the world, America and China come to our mind. But if we talk about the race and technology, the answer to this is Japan. In this video, Japan, which is still ahead of US in the race of technology, is like the owner of that channel. Japan automobile industry is considered the world's largest automobile industry. Numerous big companies like Toyota, Suzuki, and others are also associated with Japan. In Japan, electronic industrial is no less than anyone else known for the producing the world's most productive and innovative products. Japan's industry continues to launch unique and innovative products in the market. This product is also created by Professor Meenakshi of Japan Music University named TTI Tester T. In Japan, a phototype clickable TV could offer people the opportunity to test things through the screen. University professor Homi Miyashita has developed the Taste the Thing TV, which causes a hygienic film coated with different flavors from 10 canisters to create a different taste on a flat TV screen, allowing viewers to try them. This city is the hotspot for this TV. It is called Chest Baby, which tells you about the food cartage. Questions arise here. Is it that you can check it out? The customer is listening. It seems impossible, but this is true. Office TV, which tells you about the food's taste according to its test solution, is transparent. You can taste with your tongue, and therefore taste will be just like your favorite food. Isn't it? The rural TV maker, Professor appointed Sita, says that all laws are made of 10 basic tests in which your sweet, sour, salty, and bitter is included. And the solution of all 10 20 tests will be put in the system with the scores. And when you tell the TV to do something, then with the help of its artificial intelligence. According to Miyashita, food flavors such as salty, sour, and sweet can be reproduced. The machine is programmed with the recipe, allowing it to replicate the taste of 20 different types of. And in the coronavirus pandemic continues, he said that this technology could give people the chance to experience the outside world while being stuck at home. By mixing and you can have your test check, isn't it, in the village TV? So far, Japan is currently working on improving it, and this is being said that this TV can be launched commercially in the coming year. So mix it. You must have liked this informative videos. Do not forget to comment and subscribe to this channel, and inshallah, then meet with the new video. Until the keep your multi-year now.